Hi. In this video, we will learn about the rank function and the new rank functions in Excel.
The rank function helps us to give a rank to a set of numbers. So if we have some examination scores like this, we can rank them. The top student will have the highest score and he will be ranked 1. So likewise, we can rank based on the numbers or the score in this situation. So if you want to check the rank of each of these students, we can use the rank function. So first let's see whether we can rank them by sorting them. So we'll do a Control C, copy the values here, Control V, and let me go to the Data tab, and then I will sort it from largest to smallest. So the highest value is 91. So James should be ranking 1. And the lowest score is 49. And Mary would be the person ranking the lowest. So let's see how the rank function works. So we type a equal sign, rank. And when you come down, you'll see we have some other functions also. There is rank, and then there's a kind of a warning sign. And then we have two other similar functions, rank EQ and rank AVG. So equal and average. So we look at these functions. Why we have a warning sign here is because this function is not going to be supported in the future in Excel. So we recommend using rank EQ, which is the same as rank function, or rank average, which I will get into shortly. For now, we will use the rank function. Select that, tab key, and it needs 3 arguments: the number, reference, and order. So the number is basically the number related to this student over here. And I put a comma, and reference is basically the range of numbers or the scores, D7 to D16. Then for the order, I have 2 options. 0 is the default value. I can leave it blank as well. It will take descending as the default value then. So if we want this to be ranked in descending order, we use 0. So in this case, we want to give the rank number 1 to the person with the highest score. So we should be having it in descending order. So it starts with the highest number. So we can put a 0 here, or I can leave it blank. And also I need to fix this cell reference for the reference, because this, when I copy it down, should not be changing. So I can press the F4 key, add the dollar signs, and then close the parenthesis and Control Enter to copy there. And to copy down, I'll use the fill handle. So I see James with 91 is ranked the first. So that's correct because 91 is the highest score. And we'll see the lowest score is Mary, 49. She's the 10th person. So the rank of Mary is 10. So 49 is the lowest score in the range as well. So the rank function basically has ranked these students from the first to the 10th person. So let's look at another situation where we have some scores as well. So there are 2 students. They have the same score of 82. So let's see how rank handles this. So we'll write the formula, rank, and I'll select the rank function, and then this number, and the reference is this range. So I'll fix the reference, F4 key, and I will leave the final argument blank. So by default, it's going to take the 0 as that value. So I can type it there or leave it blank. and I press Control Enter, and I'll copy it down. So here, the first question comes to James. So here we see Michael and David are both in the same position 3. And then after 3, there is no fourth position because there are 2 people in the third position. It skips the fourth position and then goes on to the fifth position. So likewise, if there are multiple people with the same rank, it skips that number of people and goes on to the next rank number. So let's see the rank EQ function. So I'll type rank, select EQ, and it's the same syntax as the rank function. I have to give the number first and then the reference, and I will use F4 to fix that, and I will close the bracket and Control Enter and copy it down with the field head. So you see rank and rank EQ have done the same thing. So the results are the same basically. Only difference is that rank function will not be supported in the future. So it's always better to use the new function rank EQ. So let's see what happens when we use rank average. So let me select rank average. The syntax is again the same. So I'll select the range as well. Fix the range, F4, and close bracket, Control Enter, and copy down. Now we see Michael and David have the rank of 3.5. So basically what happens with rank average is it averages the rank when it comes to duplicates. So here there's 2 people with 3, so it will take the average. So the third and fourth position is taken by both of these. So it takes the average and puts 3.5 as the rank for both of them. And again you see the fourth position is missing, and then we go on to the fifth position. So only difference is the rank when we got duplicates is averaged when we use rank average.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our top-selling CPD certified Excel courses and our awesome Excel training app. Our innovative Excel training app allows you to take our Excel courses inside your Excel application itself, giving you a truly immersive learning experience. Now, if you like this video, why not subscribe to support us and get notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.